Alright folks, we went to Walmart yesterday and we bought some beets. These beets only cost me $1 or probably $2 of tax and everything like that. It was like $1.50 probably. And it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beets. Okay. And so we're gonna unband these. I think there's a band-aid on it somewhere. If I can find it. Oh, there's a strap. Oh no, there's a rubber band. I'm just gonna pop this and get all of these loose. Okay, so there's actually a little bit more than I thought. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 of them here. We got 8 of them here for $1.50. And these all are roots. See all the roots attached to them. So we're gonna find a spot on the garden. Actually, we might just go ahead and throw one of them in here. Just because. Actually, let's try to get a bigger one. Let's put it in here. Let's gonna put one in here. And we're gonna put the rest in the raised bed. So we're gonna put let's go with this one. We're gonna put this in here. Like that there. Let that do its thing. And we're gonna take the rest of these to the raised bed. Here we are at the raised bed. Let's see if we can make some room for this. We're gonna try to put them right here. Yeah, we got some room. We got some room. And you know what? I don't eat beets. Well, let's not say I don't eat beets. Let's just say I never had beets. Let's just say that. I never had beets, but I figure any kind of vegetation in a bad scenario in a bad survival scenario, will be good. So we ain't gonna complain. It'll be something edible in a desperate time of need. And that's the only thing this farm is for. Well, not the only thing. Eventually I would make like some profit. So, oh, we got some potatoes growing in here. Let's put this over here. I'm gonna replant this back over here. Little baby potatoes growing over here, y'all. I'm just gonna stick that back in there. Let that keep going. I ain't ready to eat her yet. So, there's another one. Looks like I got potatoes over here. Just randomly growing. Is there more over here? I don't know how I end up with potatoes over there, but okay, so we're gonna put one here. We're just gonna try to spread them out. Put one here, or actually we're gonna put this one right here. There's a lot of wood in here. Put that one there. Okay. I don't know how well this is gonna do, but okay. I'll put another one in here. Just gonna kind of just spread them out. I have no idea if these are too close or not, but that one there. Put one here. One here. Okay, so we got them all planted in there. And we're just gonna let it be. This thing is bringing me some potatoes. I'm not very big. This is like potato right here. So that's a good thing. But yeah. And we'll check back in about 2-3 weeks and see how good this thing's going over here. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll be dropping another video, another store-bought product that I find in the grocery store. Thank you for watching.